Hey, Caitlin McCleary here, and today I want to show you a delicious, simple apple pie recipe that I'm going to put in my smoker, and I finish it off with a delicious apple bourbon caramel drizzle. It's something you're going to absolutely love. So to start it off, we peel 6 to 8 apples, and we peel these apples and we chop them up. I like the tart apples because it brings that other element of flavor into it. We're gonna squeeze some lemon juice on our apples so that they don't go brown. And you can toss that a little bit, make sure they've all got a little bit of lemon juice on them. And then to make our yummy pie filling, what we have here is 1 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of ginger, and a pinch of nutmeg. We just simply put that right on our apples and stir those up nicely. Make sure they're nice and evenly coated. There's no need to bake this because it's going to get baked in the smoker. I know a lot of recipes say to put this in a saucepan on the stove top first. You don't need to do that with these. Our mixture is ready to go into our pie dish here. And it can heap over a little bit, that's totally fine. It smells so good, and the final result is delicious. Like I said, I really like the tart apples, but if that's not your thing, go with a Golden Delicious or a Honey Crisp, but that tart just adds a lot of dimension to that flavor. To make this pie even more fun, you can cut designs, you could do a lattice on top of it. What I want to do, I love doing this, is I just simply cut some fun leaf shapes, like so, and I'm gonna fill my pie in like that. It's pretty simple. I mean, this is a simple store-bought crust, and all I've done with a paring knife is I've cut out leaf shapes and covered at the top of my pie. So it looks awesome, and it's gonna taste even better. Okay, now that this is finalized and ready, it's gonna go in our smoker. Smoker set at 350 degrees, and look at that, we're gonna set it right next to Mr. Turkey, and it's gonna finish in perfect timing, 45 minutes at 350 degrees. We've just pulled our pie off of our smoker. It cooked for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. And now we are going to top it with a delicious apple bourbon caramel sauce that I've made up. And you can find the recipe on campchef.com. We're just gonna give it a nice, generous swirl of this. This stuff is divine. Do a little sprinkle of some cinnamon sugar, and you have a very beautiful star prize for your Thanksgiving dinner. Check it out on campchef.com as well as other tasty recipes.